Good morning. For today's behind the scenes footage at Surfboards.com, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Dakine Indo surf hat, and it's going to Dan in Grand Rapids, Minnesota. So Dan, by the way, if you want to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, all you got to do is send us an email. We'd be glad to produce a video. So Dan, your hat is in bin B1E1A. B1E1A. So that's up high. Let's go grab it. To grab items that are above head high, we use these waves. When I'm picking, I'm checking the UPC on the packaging with the UPC that we have on the pick ticket to make sure I got the right item. But we double check that using the scanner. I'll do that right now. I'll get it. Green means I got the right item. So Dan, let's pack your item. These no-zone surf hats, by the way, are super popular. They're like a soft material with a brim around it and a buckle, so you can wear them out paddleboarding, or you can wear them. You'd probably wear them surfing if you don't take any huge wipeouts. I'm telling the computer what order we're working with. Now I'm telling the computer to weigh the item. Every order gets a free Surfboards.com sticker. And now I'm asking the computer to print us the requisite shipping label. And it'll take a few seconds for that to spit out. A few more seconds for it to spit out. The first few labels of the day, for some reason, take a little longer than usual. But here it comes. Dan, we really appreciate your order. It's being shipped via USPS, or the Postal Service, and getting it to Grand Rapids, Michigan. It should take probably 3 days. I said Michigan. It's Grand Rapids, Minnesota. So expect it in your mailbox probably Wednesday or Thursday. Thanks a million for your order.